Hi everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to mark an email as important in Gmail so you never miss the messages that matter most. First, open your Gmail inbox. You'll see a list of your emails, each with a small icon just to the left of the star. So see it here? Now look for the importance marker, which appears as a small arrow icon just here. If Gmail has already marked an email as important, the marker will be yellow, just like this one. If it hasn't, the marker will be empty or grey, just like this one here. Now, to manually mark an email as important, all you have to do is hover over the empty importance marker next to the email you want to mark, click the marker, and it'll turn yellow, indicating Gmail now considers this email important. That's it. Gmail will also learn from your choices over time to improve importance predictions. Now, to find all your important emails quickly, go to the search bar at the top of Gmail and type is:important. Then press enter and Gmail will show you all the emails marked as important. You can also click the marker again to remove the importance tag if needed. That's how easy it is to mark your emails as important in Gmail. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you liked it, like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Bye.